Hello and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James bringing a video on a BMW 330e. So guys, let's have a quick walk around the outside of the vehicle and talk you through some of the tech and the options. This is an extremely rare opportunity to own a very rare white 330e. These vehicles are particularly hard to come by, especially in the white. And this vehicle has only covered just over 13,000 miles and is of course a 17 reg, so a very new vehicle as well. We of course have the Your Next Car Performance Pack, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. We have opted for the gloss black pack on this vehicle, so that consists of the front splitter, kidney grills. This vehicle does have a nice amount of options on this vehicle, and I'll get through them as quick as possible. So we of course have the LED headlamps. It also benefits from the Msport Plus pack. So behind the lovely 19-inch LA Msport multi-spoke alloys, which we've had fully refurbished in gloss black, you'll see that it has the much larger Msport Plus calipers that are finished off in the lovely Estoril blue. It also has the ambient lighting package, as you can see there by the puddle lights underneath the door handles. Inside the car, we have a heated red Dakota leather. In my personal opinion, this is the best colour combination you can get of the white body colour and the red leather. It has the Harman Kardon surround sound system, an extremely nice option to have. We of course have BMW's privacy glass for that executive look and a little bit of security. Another rare option on the 3 Series saloon is the split folding seats, as you can see there. Now, thanks to the age and the mileage, as you'd expect, it is a very clean example inside and out. This vehicle went live onto our website yesterday, where you can view up to 40 images of this car. In the boot, more than enough room, especially thanks to them split folding seats if you do require that little bit more room. Of course, all the hybrid packs and batteries are underneath the boot floor. However, it has not compromised too much at all on the boot space, thanks to BMW's clever engineering. We have the gloss black boot spoiler. And then, of course, finishing off, we have the rear performance diffuser. So if you're just getting into looking into the 3 Series E range, you might not know too much. However, I'll leave a video in the description for a full rundown of what it entitles you into the E range. However, I'll give you a quick run through. So of course they are free to tax. They are congestion charge zone free. On a full charge, you'll get 25 to 30 mile of free driving. That's pure electric. They can be charged up at home using any general electric plug socket. You can of course use the service station charging ports that you'll see popping up everywhere now. They're getting very popular. Up front we have the 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine. However, thanks to the capacity of the battery and hybrid packs, they have the same output as a 3-litre petrol engine, 3-litre turbocharged petrol engine that is. And the power output is the same as 250 brake horsepower. However, you're not paying anything like that because of the extremely good fuel economy that these vehicles do put out, because of the hybrid capabilities. So guys, let's start the car up and have a look at the interior features and options. So yeah, that's the car now started up. Very strange to get used to, the fact that it is silent when you initially start the car up, and obviously when you're driving in pure electric. So of course down here we have the E modes, where you can select your different modes that you would like. So most of the time you'll leave it in auto E-drive. And this is where it will flick through and leave it in its own settings, where it'll go between the pure electric mode and the petrol engine as well. You can also put it in full electric and also save, where it'll just go on to the petrol engine for a more sportier feel. We have the 8-speed sports gearbox with cruise control, voice recognition, voice activation. We also have high beam assist. We have the beautiful heated seats, as I mentioned earlier. We have BMW's business navigation and media. So there's the sat nav, there's the Bluetooth, we have DAB radio, We have a wide range of multimedia inputs. And on this particular vehicle, we also have a very nice option. We have a heated steering wheel. An extremely nice option to have, especially this time of year, thanks to the weather getting colder. And there's the odometer reading, 13,871. So as I say, just over 13,000 miles. One of our lowest mileage vehicles we currently have in stock. Really clean, tidy example, as you'd expect with the age and the mileage. Here at Your Next Car, we can obviously offer you some fantastic finance deals that can be done over the phone or in-house. If you would like any further information on this vehicle or any of our other current stock, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. This vehicle is charged up and ready to drive away for 24,991. Okay guys, that's it from me. Thank you, goodbye.